हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम HPGK का रिवीजन स्टार्ट करेंगे। इस वीडियो में हम HPTET के प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम से जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे और ये वीडियो अलग अलग पार्ट्स में रहेगी। हर एक क्वेश्चन में आपको 10 सेकंड का टाइम मिलेगा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद पार्ट 1। नेम द क्रीचर विच इज नॉट अ बर्ड बट कैन फ्लाई। नंबर 1 वुडपेकर, नंबर 2 आउल, नंबर 3 ऑस्ट्रिच, नंबर 4 बैट। Correct answer will be bat. Who is the writer of the book Kitab al-Hind? Number 1 Al-Biruni, number 2 Abul Fazl, number 3 Jauddin Barni, number 4 Taslim Narseen. Correct answer will be Alauddin Barni. In which year Right to Information Act came into existence? Number 1 2009, number 2 2000, number 3 2005, number 4 2007. Correct answer will be 2005. Which feature of a food is identified by the red and brown mark made on the food product? Number 1 vegetarian, number 2 non-vegetarian, number 3 vegetarian and non-vegetarian, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be non-vegetarian. The color of leaf is green due to number 1 zinc, number 2 nitrogen, number 3 chlorophyll, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be chlorophyll. What is the outermost layer of the teeth called? Number 1 enamel, number 2 dentin, number 3 cement, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be enamel. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Number 1 Asia, number 2 South America, number 3 Australia, number 4 Europe. Correct answer will be Australia. Which district of Himachal Pradesh has the largest natural lakes located in? Number 1 Sirmaur, number 2 Bilaspur, number 3 Mandi, number 4 Chamba. Correct answer will be Sirmaur. When was the Constitution of India implemented? Number 1 26 January 1948, number 2 26 January 1950, number 3 25th January 1971, number 4 none of these. Correct answer will be 26 January 1950. The shape of Indian Ocean is number 1 triangular shape, number 2 circular shape, number 3 caudal shape, number 4 S shape. Correct answer will be triangular shape. When is the World Water Day celebrated? Number 1 22nd March, number 2 8 March, number 3 5 June, number 4 14 November. Correct answer will be 22nd March. Which crop is a Rabi crop? Number 1 cotton, number 2 cereal, number 3 rice, number 4 gram. Correct answer will be gram. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Number 1, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Number 2, Rabindranath Tagore. Number 3, Bhimrao Ambedkar. Number 4, Swami Vivekanand. Correct answer will be Rabindranath Tagore. What was the Shivalik mountain known as in ancient text? Number 1, Manak Parvat. Number 2, Dhauladhar. Number 3, Pir Panjal. Number 4, Jaskar. Correct answer will be Manak Parvat. When did Vasco da Gama reach India? Number 1, 1600. Number 2, 1498. Number 3, 1857. Number 4, 1945. Correct answer will be 1498. How many constituency seats are there in Legislative Assembly of Himachal Pradesh? Number 1, 68. Number 2, 62. Number 3, 70. Number 4, 66. Correct answer will be 68. Which place of India is known as Little Lhasa? Number 1, Rivalsa. Number 2, Spiti. Number 3, Dharamsala. Number 4, Kinnaur. Correct answer will be Dharamsala. Which place is the confluence point of Chandra and Bhaga rivers? Number 1, Bhagsunath. Number 2, Tandi. Number 3, Bilaspur. Number 4, Chandranagar. Correct answer will be Tandi. When was the Battle of Buxar fought? Number 1, 1651. Number 2, 1859. Number 3, 1905. Number 4, 1764. Correct answer will be 1764. The main cause of earthquake is number 1, erosion. Number 2, detonation. Number 3, tectonic forces. Number 4, weathering. Correct answer will be tectonic forces. Which planet is the hottest planet of the solar system? Number 1, Mercury. Number 2, Venus. Number 3, Jupiter. Number 4, Saturn. Correct answer will be Venus. When was the High Court of Himachal Pradesh established? Number 1, 15 April 1948. Number 2, 1st November 1966. Number 3, 15 August 1947. Number 4, 25 January 1971. Correct answer will be 25 January 1971. Who created the first map of the world? Number 1, Aristarchus. Number 2, Thales. Number 3, Aeschylus. Number 4, Anaximander. Correct answer will be Anaximander. Jhanki and Hunter folk dances belong to number 1, Hamirpur. Number 2, Mandi. Number 3, Chamba. Number 4, Kullu. Correct answer will be Chamba. Which place is the coldest place of the world? Number 1, Russia. Number 2, Greenland. Number 3, Iceland. Number 4, Antarctica. Correct answer will be Antarctica. Which year was the first primary school opened in Keelong? Number 1, 1857. Number 2, 1861. Number 3, 1881. Number 4, none of these. Correct answer will be 1861. Kufri Jeevan and Kufri Jyoti are the two famous variety of number 1, tomato, number 2, almond, number 3, potato, number 4, grapes. Correct answer will be potato. The shape of our national flag is rectangular. What is the ratio of its length and breadth? Number 1, 2 by 1, number 2, 3 by 4, number 3, 5 by 3, number 4, 3 by 2. Correct answer will be 3 by 2. Who composed the grammar of Sanskrit language? Number 1, Valmiki, number 2, Tulsidas, number 3, Panini, number 4, Kalidas. Correct answer will be Panini. Where in the Himachal Pradesh is the highest cricket ground of the world situated? Number 1, Solan, number 2, Chail, number 3, Dharamsala, number 4, Naldher. Correct answer will be Chail. Thanks for watching. The next part will be in the descriptions.